Bathroom vocabulary. Soap. Soap. The substance that you use to wash your body. Towel. Towel. A piece of cloth that you use for drying your skin. Bathtub. Bathtub. A large long container that you fill with water and sit or lie in to wash yourself. Faucet. Tap. The thing that you turn on and off to control the flow of water from a pipe. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Soft thin paper used for cleaning yourself after you have used the toilet. 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 A large bowl that you sit on to get rid of waste liquid or waste matter from your body. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. A small brush that you use for cleaning your teeth. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. A thick substance that you use to clean your teeth. Drain. Drain. A pipe that carries water or waste liquids away. Hairbrush. Hairbrush. A brush you use on your hair to make it smooth. Comb. Comb. A flat piece of plastic, metal, etc., with a row of thin teeth on one side, used for making your hair tidy. Sink. Sink. A large open container that you fill with water and use for washing dishes. Shampoo. Shampoo. A liquid soap for washing your hair. Razor. Razor. A tool with a sharp blade, used to remove hair from your skin. Shower. Shower. A piece of equipment that you stand under to wash your whole body. Laundry basket. Laundry basket. A large basket that you put dirty clothes in, until you wash them. Towel rack. Towel rack. A bar or frame on which towels can be hung. Hairdryer. Hairdryer. A machine that blows out hot air for drying hair. Mirror. Mirror. A piece of special glass that you can look at and see yourself in. Dental floss. Dental floss. Thin strong string that you use for cleaning between your teeth. Liquid soap. Liquid soap. A chemical substance in liquid form usually for washing the hands or body. Plunger. Plunger. A tool for clearing waste that is blocking a kitchen or bathroom pipe. Cotton bud. Cotton bud. A small thin stick with cotton wool at each end, used for cleaning inside your ears. Loofah. Loofah. A rough bath sponge, made from the dried inner part of a tropical fruit. Shaving cream. Shaving cream. A special cream that you put on your face when you shave. Bath mat. Bath mat. A piece of rubber that you put in the bath to prevent yourself from slipping. Hanger. Hanger. A curved piece of wood or metal with a hook on top, used for hanging clothes on. Mop. Mop. A thing used for washing floors. Lotion. Lotion. A liquid mixture that you put on your skin or hair to clean, soften, or protect it. Stool. Stool. A seat that has 3 or 4 legs but no back or arms. Soap rack. Soap rack. A container for a bar of soap. Bucket. Bucket. An open container with a handle. Electric razor. Electric razor. An electrical device for shaving. Sponge. Sponge. A piece of a soft natural or artificial substance used for washing. Detergent. Detergent. A liquid or powder used for washing clothes, dishes, etc. Nail clippers. Nail clippers. A special tool for cutting your nails neatly. Scale. Scale. A machine for weighing people or objects.